In fact, I think we have Mr. Owaisi with us on the phone. Mr. Owaisi, what's exactly happened here? We understand there's been a clash between MIM workers and Congress over an arrest. What's happened exactly?
Well, throughout the whole day, when the polling was going on, the Congress party knew very well that they were not getting the votes which they expected in the GHMC elections, not only in Hyderabad, whole city of Hyderabad, but everywhere. And one of the Congress contestants was arrested by the police, and at the same time, one of my MLAs was also arrested. And so, later on I had come to know
For what
that,
though? Were they arrested because there was already some violence that had been incited? What exactly happened that led to their arrest?
Well, they were arrested because of there was some verbal clash, and anyway, it was a judgment of police. You should ask them why they arrested them.
Okay.
But as far as I am concerned, there was no need to arrest our MLA. But anyway, he was arrested, and later on, at around about, I think so, 3:30 or 4, I come to know that the Congress president of Telangana, along with his followers, nearly 150 followers, had barged inside the Mirchok police station, where this Congress candidate was taken into custody, and also my MLA was there. And they had entered the police station, threatened the police officers, and got the Congress contestant released, and then addressed a press conference, and also addressed a small public meeting inside the premises of the police station. Now, I wanted to know that throughout the day, the police were telling me that, sir, you should not move around because, so I followed it. But here we have a Congress president, along with his 150 followers, barges inside a police station, pressurizes the police to release that Congress contestant, and then addresses a public meeting. And I wanted my MLA to be released, and I went there. I wanted the police to also release my MLA because the concerned MLA of that constituency. And then that was it. And there was nothing. And in fact, but for my intervention, I had ensured that all the Congress leaders, they go from there, because there was no need at all for them to come over there. You are not a concerned MLA or MP. And then you enter a police station with your followers and create a tamasha over there.
But the Congress's Uttam Reddy is saying his car was attacked.
All these allegations which are being made are baseless allegations. The Congress party is in deep frustration. They have realized that they are not going to break any ice in Hyderabad GHMC elections, leave aside my constituency. And when the results are out, this will be a fantastic defeat of the Congress party, and take me on record that they will not even cross 20 corporators, inshallah, in the GHMC election. So they have
Mr. Owaisi, that may be the case, but right now the issue is that the allegation is that your MLA was in fact arrested because he slapped Telangana Deputy CM Mahmood Ali's son. And also Uttam Reddy says that his car was attacked, there was stone pelting happening. These are the allegations that have come in from the Congress.
These are all baseless allegations. I deny these allegations. I condemn these baseless allegations. And there is no truth whatsoever in it. They should first tell us what were they doing inside a police station with 150 followers. How can you address your followers sitting inside a police station? How can you pressurize the police to release your contestant? So this is what has happened.
But you also went there to release your man, right? You're saying you also went to the police station to release your MLA.
You see, I wanted, because you are not allowing, the police were not allowing any one of us to move around. So I was surprised and shocked that the Telangana PCC president was allowed to come in a procession of nearly 30 cars on a polling day. And then he goes inside a police station, sits and threatens the police people over there that you must release my contestant. And you have a sitting MLA of my party who's also arrested. And then you pressurize them, you take him out, address a press conference, and then address a small meeting. And so, I am also a member of parliament. I wanted my MLA to be released. If that is the case, Because the police arrested.
Last question to you. You're saying you went to the spot. We have the footage on camera of a clash clearly taking place. What was happening when you reached there? Because you're denying the stone pelting allegations.
Of course. All the Congress party is making all these baseless allegations. Nothing of that sort happened. All the polling went peacefully. Yes, one or two incidents did take place. The whole Hyderabad, the polling was very slow and the percentage also is very low. But I deny all these allegations which the Congress party is making.
All right.
And they are making an alibi so that tomorrow when the results are out, they can say all these things.